Welcome to the magical world of DIY wooden toys, where creativity meets nostalgia and family bonding thrives. Let's gather our tools and materials. Safety first, we'll cover proper supervision and precautions for a fun, worry-free experience. Our first project, a charming vintage-inspired wooden helicopter. Watch imagination take flight with this classic design. Next up, we'll craft a speedy wooden race car. Get ready for some high-octane creativity. Master the art of tracing, cutting, and sanding. We'll create smooth, safe toys that are a joy to hold. Time to add some color. Involve the kids in painting. Each toy becomes a unique masterpiece. Discover the charm of natural, unfinished wood toys. Simple designs spark boundless imagination. Turn scrap wood into treasures. We'll walk through an easy project using leftover materials. Let's admire inspiring creations from fellow woodworkers. The possibilities are endless. Ready to start crafting memories? Click below for more resources and inspiration.
Keeper of my dreams.